So today I'm going to be doing a update video on this hair that I have in my head. This hair is by Hairinbeauty. On Instagram they're Hairinbeauty1, but this is their loose wave. I have a 10-inch closure, 12, 14 and 16-inch bundles, so 3 bundles and a closure. So if you guys would like to hear this update, keep watching. Okay, so first off, y'all, I've had this hair for probably about 2 months now, and I'm gonna put a picture of the natural curl pattern right here. But what I decided to do was just throw some curls in it because I never curl or straighten my natural wave hair. But y'all, this hair curled really nice, and I just used my barrel curling iron. At first I was getting some tangling when I got it in its natural state, and that was just because I was not detangling it properly. So when I started to detangle it and actually, you know, take care of it, I didn't get any tangles at all. And see, I'm still not getting any tangles. Now let me tell y'all something. This hair is like really soft. Like, I should have curled this sooner. Like, I love it curled, but this hair is really soft and it's really affordable. I'm gonna put their link below. The closure is super natural. Like, literally, y'all, I didn't put anything on the part. I just threw the wig on. Look, boom, just like this. I didn't even bleach the closure when I got it. So when I did, if I did anything to it, I would just put some concealer on it or whatever. But this time I didn't put any concealer on it. I just threw it on because it looks pretty good. It curls really nice, like I was saying before. Okay, ladies, so this is Brazilian hair. Super affordable. Like, for 3 bundles and a closure, I paid $68.95 for this hair, and I must say it was a win. I love these bundles, and I really love it now that I know that it curls really good. And like, when, you know, like sometimes once you like curl wavier hair or straighten it out, it'll be thinner. But to me, this still has some pretty good thickness to it, and I really enjoy it. And I didn't add any layers to it. Like I said, I just curled it with my barrel curl. Over the past few weeks, I have been looking at Hairinbeauty's site, and I see that they have lace front wigs, lace frontal wigs. And so I was thinking about ordering a frontal wig and reviewing it on my channel just to see how their wigs are. Now this, I did make this into a wig. This is made by me. Follow me on Instagram at Slay by Tamia. But yeah, I did make this by me. I did make this wig. It's super cute. Now when I curled it, what I did was I wet it and then I blow dried it out, and then I added this to it. Now this is BioSilk. You can get this at the beauty supply store, any beauty supply store. I can't remember how much I paid. I had this for so long because I think when I got this, it was like maybe $5. I think it's like from $5 to $10 for this little bitty thing. Like, it's really good. So that's probably why I still got a lot left, because I only use it on like my clients, and I only use like a little bit. So when I put it on this hair, like, I'm pretty sure that helped with it curling like this, and with it like being able to actually straighten out and still not have a wave in it. Y'all, this is all for this video. I just wanted to come and give y'all a quick update on this hair. I love it. I will definitely order from them again. Hopefully in the future I will order a lace frontal wig. You know what, hopefully they'll send me a lace frontal wig to review. That would be great if I didn't have to purchase it and they were just like, Tamia, would you like to review a wig? Yes, I would. Hairinbeauty, send me a wig. I will definitely review it for you guys, because this hair is A1 and I can vouch for it, and it's super affordable. Below I will link my first review to this hair so that you guys can see it in its natural wave. Y'all, it's super cute. Do not forget to watch it because it's super cool. It's super cute and cool. But anyways, I will talk to y'all later. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram if you don't already. If you have any questions, any suggestions, feel free to drop them below. You can DM me on Instagram, whatever you want to do. But anyways, I'll talk to you guys later.